I have a dehumidifier in my basement right now. It's a GE Energy Star 70-pound dehumidifier. So in order for this dehumidifier to operate properly, you need to clean it, maintain it. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do this thing. Okay. Basement is always wet in the summertime, a lot of humidity here. So if you don't take out the humidity, it's gonna have mold, and too much humidity in the house is no good. Like it's gonna have moisture, and moisture can cause mold to grow. So the best way to get rid of the humidity in your basement is to have a dehumidifier. So I have one right here, the GE. So I'm going to show you step by step how to clean this. And the first thing is this is a reservoir, the bucket that collects the water when the humidifier is turned on. And look, it's very dirty right now. And there's a handle. If you remove this handle right here, you remove the handle, and you can see how dirty it is. Look at that. Look at that black thing. It's all mold. So you need to clean this. Look at inside the reservoir, inside the bucket right here. When water collected in when you turn on the dehumidifier, it's gonna collect water in here. When it's full, then the light will comes on right here. Say bucket is full, then you have to empty out the bucket right here. And let me show you how to clean this thing. See how dirty it is? I have a Palmolive dish soap, so it's put a little bit in there, but not too much. About a teaspoon or so in here, not too much. And I have a sponge right here. Right there, it's coming out. This one too. Look at the mold right here. Just dish soap and water, basically it. Just clean that out. See that there's moisture, there's like mold right here. That's mold. Basically it's forming, and so you don't want that. You should be able to get most of this out, the stain. So for hard to reach places, use the toothbrush. Yeah, toothbrush, like so you can't fit the sponge in there. Use a toothbrush. Alright, after the bucket is clean, you can say clean as much as possible. There's no way, there's so many nooks and crannies right here, you can't go through everything. But if you can clean as much as possible right here, just use a toothbrush to the area that you cannot get in, small places. So that's good enough right here. Alright, that's the best I could do right here. There's no way you can get all through all of that. That's good enough. Just use a towel, wipe off all the water on the outside right here. There's a filter right here underneath here. Filter right here. Pull it out. Right here. So this goes front. When you put it back, make sure to say front right here. See the filter? It's kind of, the filter has some kind of nylon mesh in there. So all I need to do is just clean it. Come to the sink. It's a little bit of dirty. Just rinse it off with water. Right here, just clean it like that. See a little bit of dirt coming out. You should clean the filter once in a while after, like, I would do it every week. If you use it constant, you use a dehumidifier all the time. Once every week would do. You don't want the filter to clog up because that's make the dehumidifier running a little harder, which is not good. Right? You can use brush too right here. Use a toothbrush to do like that. So just rinse it off with water. You don't need any dish soap or anything like that. See, that's it. And just shake off the all the water and use a towel. Just clean off all the water. Okay, now put it back in. Install the same way that you take it out. Let's say front right here, and push it in right there. See that? Okay. Now use a towel to clean it. That's it. And then put the bucket back in. Just wipe it clean. That's it. So this is how you clean and maintain a GE dehumidifier. So if you do this every few weeks or so, this machine will be running really good. Let me turn it on and show you. It's running right now. It's good. See the fan right here. You can feel the fan blowing the air out. Alright. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.